This is one that came direct from customers saying, hey, we'd love it if you came out with an airless tire option for a Toolcat. You know, we went through the development process on it, got it to a place we were happy, but I wanted to get direct feedback from the customer specifically, who drives the machine every single day. This is Jose, and today we're putting a set of tires onto his Toolcat. How many hours a day do you run this thing?
A good 5 hours at least a day, you know, sometimes less, but like typically 5 hours average.
That's the summertime, and what about the wintertime?
The wintertime, every time it snows, we come out with either a snow plow or a bucket with it. We do a lot of snow clearing with this thing.
Yeah.
So like a whole day if it's snowing.
And so like these tires are not the ones that came on at stock. So like how come you guys decided to switch, or what's the...
So the stock one that came with it, I guess it wasn't really like up to par because everything was so stiff. Everything was like, we do a lot of curve jumping with this, and we do a lot of like road driving with it. So every bump, every hole, we feel it with just a solid tire.
Okay.
So we're like, okay, like we need something softer, but it does get tiring in there. Like when you're hitting every block every time, right?
So Jose, they do like community stuff at our shop. They're part of the city, but they're also part of the community. And you guys basically go around making sure everything's clean. You've got like flower pots and stuff like that you maintain. What else do you guys do?
We pick up all the litter every day. We pressure wash with this thing, the sidewalk. Beautification of the community.
Yeah. We met at McDonald's, and I said, hey, you guys got a Toolcat. We got Toolcat tires we're gonna do. We're partnering together to basically let you guys run these tires for as long as you want. So this one's our all-terrain version that we can use for like mud or city streets or just kind of in general purpose. And then when it comes wintertime, we're gonna swap out and do the snow tires for the winter, and then you guys can run those all winter. So you guys have 2 brand new sets of tires for these machines. So
perfect.
We're looking forward to getting feedback from the guys who run them every day, and I think it's a good opportunity to also maybe, you know, try and help the community and see where we go.
Well, we're excited to use them. Like when I saw the pictures, I was like, wow. So we'll try them out. Like we'll put it to its test.
It looks good, like when it's climbing the curbs and stuff like that. It
felt nice.
Yeah, like it's got a lot of compression, but you got a lot of weight on here too, right?
Yeah.
I felt a little vibration as we were like going up, but now it's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Like it's hard to tell with the vibration with this because like it's a shaky machine, right?
Right. What's the top speed on this?
27.
27?
I can show you.
Oh, we did it in a backhoe and it's awesome. What's it normally like? I'm interested to know the difference, like roading it on the street and what it's like, you know, comparatively, like when you hit potholes and bumps.
So,
like you don't know yet, but eventually.
Yeah, like my first, like my first thing, it is a bit shaky still.
Okay.
Right? It's like, it's not like, I guess because we've been driving with that tire for like, I don't know, half a year now.
Yeah.
So it does feel like, it feels like a car a bit. So like there's a little bit of more vibration compared to like that truck tires.
Yeah.
But that's a given, right?
Yeah.
So we're big.
Yeah. It's not a Cadillac.
No. And that's why the back end feels heavy because
yeah, like
the drift.
You've constantly got it like a drift, yeah.
No, it's taking a lot of bumps better. I felt really good when I was like, I tried it, like, you know, like I backed up into that curve and like, it felt nice. It wasn't like I wasn't scared that I was gonna pop the tire, or like I know like I'm compressing that tire. But
and you weren't getting like a shock.
No.
Yeah.
No, like normally you could feel it just drop because like it's such a big like there's no like halfway in between. Like this one feels like there's a halfway.
Yeah, okay.
When I was jumping the curve, I was like, oh. It felt like I was gripping every time I go down, so it feels a little bit slippery.
Yeah, I mean, like it's brand new, right? So like once it starts to wear, it'll have more grab, but maybe a little bit, not much. So we're going 26 mile an hour now. That's cool.
I will tell you right now, it is 100% better than Bobcat tires. I'll tell you right now.
That seemed easy.
I'm not bouncing at all, which is a good thing. Like with those truck tires, I'm still bouncing in that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it is softer. With this thing, it's like it feels like I'm getting a lot of like. There's a lot more vibration, but the bounce is gone. Like the hard smack.
See, in the vibration, we can, you know, we can kind of tune that a little bit to get, you know, with our treads.
Yeah.
And then as the tires wear in, that vibration will go away because they're going to evenly wear. So that's part of it. But
I see, like there was nothing there. Like I always avoid this, this, because it's such like when you slam, and that's a heavy load still.
Yeah.
And I'm like not feeling anything.
Well, you got a fair bit of compression in the back there, so you know.
I'm not bouncing. Like I'm not like normally I'll be like this. So this is nice. So I like this. I'm really happy with this. Like just like the travel.
And there may be like, and that's why we want to put a lot of hours on them, because like there may be a scenario where it's too soft and then like something happens in like 500 hours, right?
Yeah.
And then, you know, then you got to have the balance of like, okay, it's great right now, but then in 500 hours it might not last as long. So then we might have to change something in the rubber compound, or we might have to, you know, adjust something.
Like vibration and like traveling through like a rough patch like this, because like this is nice. Like this is like 100% better than even those truck tires. Like just because like I'll go faster and then it'll feel like sailing.
Yeah, good control, good stability.
Yeah, like I let go of the wheel, and I was like, okay, like it feels nice. For something like feels like off-roading where you have to go like a little bit rough on the road, this is something I would actually take. Just a little bit of vibration, like lower RPM, but like
at low RPM I noticed it. At high and at medium and high,
yeah, just low RPM, like you can see. But it still drives. Like it still steers straight. See, like normally this is the speed that we're driving, just because of people.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we did make the tread fairly aggressive too, like, you know, so that you can get traction with it, but which is part of what that is. That's the first time I've driven on the sidewalk in an off-road.
Really?
Yeah. At least on the middle of the highway, you know. But it's also too, like every time you hit one of these curbs, you got to climb it, right?
Yeah, like.
Dude.
Yeah.
See the flashing lights, like.
Yeah, like sometimes we have no choice but to actually like not go on like the sidewalk ending, so we have to go in the middle, like out, and then people don't stop. Like you learn you see how bad drivers are when you go on the sidewalk.
Yeah, or pedestrians.
Yep.
But I mean, like this, you always have to climb and bounce and hop, right?
Like you have no choice. Sometimes you're just like this, right? So.
Yeah.
Like I could. Oh, that's a good climb.
Nice.
Like I could tell, like if normally you like even with the other one, it's like you're going like this, but this one you're like it's like going like this. It's like digging, so it's not like
it takes that shock. So like what a lot of customers will tell us is that we've got like a kind of like a two-stage traction. You know, the first stage is the tread, and then the second stage is the compression that we get out of the course.
Yeah, so that's nothing. It's amazing. I can tell you that's an amazing climb. No bounce, no nothing. I can't even tell you how I'm impressed. Like just going up and down, just going up, it feels like there's like it's not there.
Yeah, you feel a little bit on the drop going down, and then up you just grab and go.
Like a good scenario, if I don't even. Not even the bounce. My ass didn't even lift. Come off the seat, so. Like normally, like when you hit it down hard, you're going up.
Yeah.
Tire or not, you're going up.
Well, and with air, like you hit something and then it hits like a shock. You get a shock absorption, and then the air pressure spikes, and then that's why you get that bounce, right?
Yeah.
Because it's trying to get back to a normal state, and then Whereas like with an airless tire, you've got that compression and then it just kind of like releases. It doesn't like force back, you know?
I love this thing. I actually love this thing going up and down the curve. Wow. Wow.
We tried to do it right the first time.
Not going up and down is like, it's something else.
So how, like if you were to drive like this or, you know, faster or whatever, like how often would you pop a tire?
We actually popped down one tire, actually one pop. We couldn't get it back like for like a week.
Oh, so like it's a fairly common problem to pop a tire if you're not careful. It's cool that they're rigid, you know, like they've got independent steering, but then they're rigid and you can just kind of keep going.
It's like the fact, like when it gets higher, like the one we were trying a while ago, it kind of gets a little bit sketchy because like you feel like you're tipping over, but you're not.
I like the feedback so far, and I like what we got going on. So,
yeah, like this is like the most aggressive sidewalk we ever do, really. Unless we're like snow plowing, that I have to go like jump up the curb like all the time.
Okay.
Like I've been plowing, I've been driving the streets for like a good 4 years now, and I can tell you that jumping the curb is different.
I mean, you're doing 20 miles an hour on the sidewalk. You try and hit that? This is rough. That was fine. That's what I found with potholes is like you find those potholes and then it's like bang, bang, bang.
See, I don't even feel anything. Like normally you can feel the puddles, even no matter how they are, you can feel it.
Yeah.
You don't even feel that one.
Does like a normal tire, do you ever kind of get like, it's wet and raining right now, so like, do you ever get where you've got like hydroplaning or like sliding or traction issues?
With the factory tires, yeah, like you're like I said a while ago, like if you're stopping right here, you're stopping over there.
Okay.
It's getting better with the grip.
Yeah, and the vibration's getting better too because like the tire gets a little bit worked in, you know?
Yeah. So when I was looking at it, I was like, it kind of looks like it's gonna slide in the rain, but we haven't slid yet.
Yeah, because the tires are always in a state of compression. It's like it just grabs, it just hugs, right? So like typically it doesn't slip. If you have a tire that's like really hard, so like a pneumatic that's got a ton of air pressure in it, or like a solid tire that's just like really hard, then it'll want to slip because it doesn't have any give to grab. Whereas that give in the middle allows it to hold the ground, you know?
No, he wants to grip.
Yeah.
He wants to grip, I can feel it.
I was like, he's going in fast.
No, it takes a lot of the bounce, like it absorbs a lot of it.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure a lot of like, see that's a heavy one, right?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Like normally you'll be like this. Like,
right.
You're like preparing for like this big drop. It takes a lot of that, the vibration, the shock. I don't think my ass has left the seat yet.
And we've gone what, 5, 6, 8 miles? I know mine hasn't, but I got a couple pounds on you.
No, I learned to appreciate like stuff when you don't like, because you don't get that. It's not a suspension seat, so you feel everything, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you guys are putting a lot of hours on, so we'll get some good feedback right away.
This one's a high one, dude.
You can see the tires from the tracks from where you did it before.
Yep.
This, because of the offset, the shallow side is actually out.
Yep.
So the strongest side of the rim is actually towards the curb.
Oh, perfect.
So, and you hit it pretty good there, so, with a full load.
That's expected.
Yeah, because this is the same rim that we use, same material thickness that we use on our skid steers, so, you know, those take a lot of beating.
Well, I'm excited to show it to the rest of the guys.
That's cool. So that's what I got to share with you today. Obviously some direct feedback and conversation between me and the customer. This guy drives it every day, so I take his word more than mine. Stay tuned, we're gonna have more content coming out about our Bobcat Toolcat tires as we get more of them in the market. We're gonna show you more customers who are running them and everything that they have to say.